Welcome to Taste of Thursday. I'm going to make chicken and dressing for two in the crock pot. Join us, won't you? So we went ahead and put the flour and the salt and pepper, onion powder in the bag and the butter in the skillet. And we're going to dump these in and coat them. I've used 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And we're going to fry them on both sides. And then we'll put them in the crock pot. Then we'll put 2 cans of mushroom soup over the top of the chicken. And we'll make the stuffing with just half the ingredients it calls for. And put that on top. And then we'll get to cooking. I'll be right back. Okay, we have browned the chicken. We're going to put these in the bottom of the crock. Then we're going to put 2 cans of mushroom soup. Forgot my little spatula. Just do the best I can. We used a stovetop stuffing. We cooked it with only half the water and half the butter. So then we'll put that stuffing on top of that. Lid on and turn it on high. And then we'll cook that for 3 to 4 hours. And then we'll be back. Chicken and dressing is done, I think. Let's get a piece of chicken down there somewhere. Hey, done. Right. Let's try that. Looks good. Oh, nice and tender. That's good. Okay. See you next time.